tell the people of South Goa that my team, along with my chief electrical engineer and my EHV staff, has brought a permanent solution to the suffering of the people of South Goa permanently in the form of distribution power what we are facing from Karnataka. Means they have shortened the distance and we are taking the entire load of Goa from the western region. आमकां इतले वर्सां जे साउथर्न रिजनाचे कर्नाटकाचे येताले in the interest of Goa and the Goans, we have decided to stop taking power from Karnataka side. आता आमचो Karnataka side म्हणटा कित्याक it is not Karnataka government who is giving it. It is a national grid, but from Karnataka side. EHV stations from Goa, we are taking the entire load from. We have discontinued from southern grid of Karnataka, and we are taking it entirely from western grid. Western region we are getting power from three places. One is we are getting 400 kVA to Kolwale. There are totally two lines which brings 400 to Kolwale, and there are two lines which are coming which we call it as Mahalakshmi and Tilari. That is coming from the western grid at 220 level to Goa. So we are getting two lines at 400 kVA from western grid to Kolwale and two lines from western grid knowing in Goa sector as Mahalakshmi and Pilari. So these go to Amona. Both these lines go to Amona. 400 kVA comes to Kolwale at 400. It is stepped down to 220 kVA and similarly 4 lines come out at 220 kVA. Those 4 lines go to 2 lines, one line goes to Amona, two lines go to TV substation, and one line goes to Gonda. So this is how it is. I am repeating and people of Goa should know that we are getting enough power, which all put together, we are almost getting 1000 megawatts of power to Goa. 1000 megawatts of power to Goa. And what Goa is giving right now to the entire Goa is only 650 to the biggest level, that is in the month of May. So South Goa problem is solved with the team of BHP and C. They have done, Honda has done good work, and we are now not going to depend on that Karnataka, and suppose in the future we intend not to take that particular band of power anymore for our South Goa. This could have been done long back, which I don't know what reasons they have not done, but we are doing it now. We had a lot of problems. We had to take special permissions. We did it. That is why I asked people of South Goa sometimes. So South Goa issue at the permanently solved. How will we take from South Goa when we are coming with the Darbhadra? A new 400 kVA substation is coming at Darbhadra. 1 lakh square meters of land has been acquired. That will take another 4 years to come up, and then again we will convert it back to that. It will come from the southern grid. Southern grid कुठून Darbhadra substation जाता, म्हणजे power station जाता at 400 level. जसे गोंयान गोलवाले 400 आसा, तसे Darbhadra 400 जातले. तेन्ना we will again take from the southern grid. Till such time we will not take from anything from the southern grid. आणि कोणाचे घराकडे लाईट कमी जावपाचे कारण आमी न्ही, तेंचे वचून घराकडले वायरींग घेवंक पडटले.